This video is going to show you how to use Screencastify in the Google Chrome browser. First thing you need to do is use your school laptop, which has a microphone built into it. And from the desktop, double-click on Google Chrome. Once you go into Google Chrome, you'll see that you need to first of all log in to Google Chrome up there at the top. So you can see I'm logged into my Bexley account. So make sure that you log into the Google Chrome browser. Step 2 is you need to click on, once you actually log in, you'll see the Screencastify icon at the top of the screen here in the extensions bar. So you click on the Screencastify extension, and you'll see there's some options here that we have to set up. First thing we need to do is set up your microphone. So click on the Set Up Microphone Access button. And it will ask you if they can have access to the, your microphone and camera. So you click on Allow. Now when I click on the Screencastify icon again from the extensions bar, I now have access to my microphone. As you see, the meter at the right hand side here is actually going up and down, so it's picking up my voice fine on the meter for the microphone. You can also click on the select button to make sure you have the correct microphone. It should already be set up properly on the default microphone, which is built into the actual laptop. But you can see at the right hand side that it is picking up my voice. That is really critical that you make sure that it actually is picking up your voice properly. The other thing you can also do is enable the drawing tools. What the drawing tools allows you to do is there's an actual pen built into here that actually can draw on the parts of where you're actually recording. So I'll click on Enable Drawing Tools. It will say, it's going to ask you to allow that, permissions. So I click on Allow. And now when I click on the Screencastify extension again, I now have access to the drawing tools. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the actual site. So this is the actual page that I want to actually record within Google Chrome. So when I click on the Screencastify extension at the top, you have two options. You can either record the browser tab, which only record what's on the screen only. The desktop will allow you to actually record any of the tabs that you have open. Example, I could go to Google Drive and switch back to Google Docs. I could also go to Smart Notebook Software and also PowerPoint. I could record all of that using the desktop feature. So those are the two options. You can either record the browser tab only, which is only what's displayed on the actual screen, or the desktop, which will allow you to switch from either different tabs or also different applications like PowerPoint or Smart Notebook Software. So now I'm ready to record. So all I do is click on the record button. In this case, I'm going to do the desktop version because I have the most flexibility using the desktop version. So I'll click on record. It's going to bring up a window. It says, what screen do you want to share? I'm going to share the entire screen. So no matter what is displayed on the screen, it will record. So I'll click on that and click on the share button. It is now recording everything on the screen. While you're recording your video in Screencastify, you have some tools in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. The first tool that you have is what's called the pen tool. The pen tool allows you to choose the appropriate color and then allows you to draw on the video for the video itself. You also have the eraser tool, which is if I click on the eraser tool, I can erase any of the drawings that I make with the pen tool. You also can hide these tools by clicking on the X. You can also click on the arrow tool. The arrow tool, which is the mouse pointer, allows you to highlight important things during your video. And the last thing you can do is click on the pause button. The pause button allows you to pause your video, recollect your thoughts, and then you can continue on using the arrow key that you'll see in the next video.